people, I'd like to show you how to install a shower transition. In this case, we're going to be using a piece of granite that's matching our seat, and that's going to be matching our two shelves here and about there. We prefer to use this over tiling our transition because this is 100% waterproof. Like, there's no way water can get through that, obviously. So there's just another way to prevent any water leakage through here. Because if you do tile it, there are chances that the grout's going to crack and that your water could get in under here. I mean, it's going to be pitched this way, but still your water could get through the grout, get onto the thin set, and then make your way down here. We did waterproof this, but you know, over the years, like, it could still make its way down there. Tiny amounts of it, you know, chances are nothing would happen, but still, this is a little safer way. So I'm using my thin set, and then let me show you the process here. So when I cut my transition, it's 1/8 of an inch short. This way I have a little bit of wiggle room. This way I can still tile it. Just build it up nice. And then we're gonna back butter our threshold as well, or our shower curb. I want to put as much as possible really on here, just so once you start trying to set it level, which you absolutely have to because of the shower glass door, once you're trying to set it level and starting to pitch it backwards, what we're just going to do is squeeze out the thin set, and then once we have it at right where we want it, that's why I'm going to put little shims in there just to basically anchor it in there. So if I put my hand on it or something, it doesn't shift, and then come to realize that it's pitched the wrong way. Bad boy around. A very important part of the project, because this is not done right. Doesn't matter how good a waterproofing job you did inside the bathroom, doesn't matter how good of a tile job you did as people getting in and out of the shower, the water will just leak out if it's not pitched right, and then the whole bathroom, you have to come back and rip it out. Not the bathroom, obviously, but just this piece, and redo it. It's not that hard, but it makes you look like crap. So let me set my phone down for a second so I can place it, because I don't want to drop this thing doing it in one hand. So 1 second, please enjoy a video of a New Hampshire lifestyle. So our transition has been placed. Now we want to start working on leveling this thing out. Let's see, what do we have? Jeez. Maybe just a little bit here. I don't want to hit too hard on this thing because I've had it crack on me before. pretty level that way. Now we want to pitch it there, so it's so it's starting to go that way. Starting to go that way, where if we come back this way, that's not enough. I'd rather, let me see if I can push on it a little bit and get it going there a little more. That's where I want to be in regards to this. You don't want to be too obvious with it, just so people, you know, when they step on it, they don't really notice the leaning part of it. But that's where I want to be. So, so then we have this way. You want to make sure our tile gets covered. So we're going to push this out a little bit. I'd like to be there. The back side. We still have more room. So we'll move this way a little more. Right there. Again, so we have that leveled back, this leveled back right there. So that's where I'm gonna be. I'm happy with this level for our shower door. Let's just double check our reveal again. Slightly this way. Fence that came out there, but that's good. This one's a little too much. You gotta take your time with it because you can only do this once and you want to do it right. So I'm happy with that. The back side looks good. Back side, that looks good. Okay, we got that. Now we're gonna get our sponge. Actually, use your finger first and just kind of caulk that in basically. So all that thin stuff that was coming out of there, just gonna push it right back in there on both sides. That's really gonna fix that in. And get your sponge and clean this up. You don't want to have any boogers on this side that will mess up your tile later. So clean this up. Let that shim sit there, just so that later I can take it out and then clean up this side. Okay. And that's how we set our shower curb. And again, this matches our stone, and I had to put this in first because our tile is going to come down here and cover this, and before I do that I have to put my Schluter strip. So I technically can't do the walls until I get this in first. Alright, and that took like 10 minutes, so that's not bad. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Come here. Drop it. Good boy, Moose.